Hello and welcome to Vista Solutions. Today we're going to talk about introduction to Acumatica manufacturing. With Acumatica, you can easily manage your manufacturing, inventory, finance and accounting, supply chain, CRM, e-commerce and payroll. Acumatica is an integrated solution to manage your all business processes. Let's have a look at Acumatica manufacturing live demo.
Select our relevant company in case we have multiple companies. Once you log in into the Acumatica, system will automatically take you to the production manager dashboards where you can see the different processes and the status of the items currently running on your shop floors. Okay. So I'll quickly take you to a sales order screen in order to generate a demand for production. Let's create a new sales order. Select our finished goods. So I have created a simple item for demo purpose. So I have kept 1,000 quantities to produce. Now I have got the sales order. Since I have the demand, now let's create a purchase order. Now let's create a production order directly from the sales order. So we'll go to the actions and create a new production order. Mathematica has already processed our production order. And we can see the production order in the detail section of the sales order. So let's see what is what is inside the production order. So this is the production order for our final FG product, and we have to produce 1,000 quantities. Okay. So now under the reference tab, we can see that the source of this production order is based on the BOM. This is the BOM ID. If we see the BOM ID, these are the processes which we have defined for the production of this material. So we'll assemble it, we'll laminate it, and then we'll pack and do the inspection. So under assembly, I'm preparing all my materials and we'll create a new item, that is pen. Then we'll do the lamination, and in our third process, we'll finally pack it by using the plastic material. Okay. So apart from these raw materials, we can define the steps which will help the peoples on the floor to identify that what process they need to do. So then we can define the tools, what are the additional tools which are required to manufacture this product, okay, and the cost associated with it. The purpose of this tab is to add the additional cost to the final product, that is our pen. Okay. Now, apart from these tools, we can add the overheads also. So we can we put it on hold. So we have a couple of overheads like admin, floor, payroll. Okay. So right now keeping this form as simple, and I'm not adding any overheads to this form. And let's take you to the final tab, that is outside process. So here we are defining whether we are going to manufacture this inside our premises or whether we are going to do a subcontracting. So now I'll simply unhold it. So this is the production order. Now let's see the production order details. So these are the production order details which I just shown you. These are the three work centers through which our item will process, and these are the raw materials which are required. Now currently we have no stock on hand, so we need to purchase it. So in order to procure these items, we can simply create a purchase order from this screen. So these are the items which we need to procure it, or we need to purchase it in order to fulfill our production. So I will create a purchase order directly from this screen. So I selected all my raw materials and I will simply click on process. Automatica has automatically created a purchase order for us. We'll unhold our order and save it. An approval process is already been set on this purchase order, so we need to approve it. Once approved, we can proceed for the purchase receipt. I'll release the purchase receipt document. Now let's see our production order. Now let's release all the raw materials since we already have it in our warehouses. Now we have the ability to release the items by work centers, or like if you want to release only 2 items, we can release only 2 and release the rest of the items later. But right now I'm just simplifying the process and releasing all the items in the first step. So select all and release this. So now all the items has been issued and we have generated a issue document subsequently. So now all these items are in WIP. Now let's create or move transactions. So let's open our production order. Let's see the event history. So material transaction has been completed successfully and we have generated a batch number also. Now we create a move transaction in order to receive our final product. Now this process we are running it for the operation ID 0010. That is our first process. So we have, since there are 3 processes involved, we have to run this move transaction 3 times. Currently I am running this process for the 0010. So I'll unhold it, save it, then release it. So now this means that I have received the item after the first operation. Okay. Now I'll create a move transaction again for the second process. Now this time I'm running it for 0020. I'll unhold it, save it, and then release it. One more time we have to go through the same process. We create a move transaction. And this time we are creating it for 0030. So just release it. This is the final process. Once we have released the final process, system will automatically generate an inventory transaction ID. So let's see what's there inside. So system has automatically created a receipt document after the final move of the after the final move transactions, and here we have received our final product FG of 1000 quantities in our wholesale warehouse. So now let's refresh our production order. Here we can see the status of the production orders is already completed. Now if we see the event history, we have created a move transaction in order to issue the materials. I have issued all the raw material in one go, and then I have created 3 move transactions following all the three. Let's see the totals. So here we have the total quantity to produce, let's say 1000 quantity, and we have completed 1000 quantities. Then we have that cost as well, 57,000, which is coming directly from the cost of the raw materials. And this is the variable overhead, which is coming again from the BOM itself. Now my production order has been completed. So let's see. Let's see our final product. Now this item has been received in wholesale warehouse, and we have the total quantity of 2800. So this concludes our production order process in Acumatica.
If you want to know more about Acumatica manufacturing, you can reach us at sales@vistasolutions.com. Thank you for watching our video.